This is not at all what we came here for, but there's a Comanche here, so that's pretty rare. And then a TJ that's pretty picked apart, nothing we needed off of it. And here's the F450 that we came here for. It does still have the axles fully intact under it, so starting to take that apart here so we can pull it. We also grabbed one of the Junkyard's hoists, so that'll be helpful to us in getting this out. You going under for the drive shaft? When you can't get the track bar off because it's too big of a bolt, you just take the whole bracket off.
That's very slippery.
Slippery?
Oh.
We should have put something under this side too, eh?
Clearly.
Well, I'm glad my thing worked on the one side at least.
Very, very smart compared to how dumb the brain.
All right, the axle is out. We'd like the rear too, but the way that it's cornered in here, we can't get the hoist around it. It's not really a good situation for taking this one out, so we may come back later and figure it out once they move things around. But just taking the front for today. We found some friends today.
Hello. How we doing?
All right, Aaron, show me your haul. What'd you get
This is
today?
what we got today. We got some 14-bolt shafts, got some 14-bolt hubs, and a throttle body. We're an old 5.3.
Nice. All right, Chris, what did you get today?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I got skunked.
And that's a wrap. All loaded up and ready to go. I can guarantee there will be plenty of junkyard videos to come, so if that's your kind of thing, subscribe to our channel.